on 3. We're gonna here, Mike. You gotta put it on your head this time. Put it on your head. The tires is good, man. This one's leaking, but hurry up. You gotta put it on your head this time, though, man. Yep. Put it on your head, though. You said he was gonna put it on your head. Come on, Mike. You have to take your hat off, dude.
This is not going good.
Come on, man, you got it? You have to pull it tighter or something. You might have to put it on around your neck. I don't think it's big enough for your head. I guess just put it, I don't know.
Oh, look at it.
It ain't, I don't know, there ain't a hole there, man. You got to put it around your neck.
Alright, it's good.
It'll fall off, dude.
No, that's good. It's smoked.
We'll make the hat hold it on tighter. Leave it like that.
Alright, this is not good.
Chester Speedway. Alright, let's give it a test. You feel that?
Hey, yo.
Yeah. You feel that?
Ow.
Okay. It's working. You ready for the jump?
I'm gonna wreck.
Yeah, I'm sure you are gonna wreck. We got him a ramp built. Hey man, try to get some speed going, man. Whenever you ready, Mike.
What am I gonna get out of this shit?
You're gonna make a lot of money on YouTube, man. Come on.
You got it on there on YouTube?
Yeah, take off.
You got it on video?
Yeah, we videotaping now, man. Come on.
Make sure you got it on video.
It's videotaping. Come on. Come on. Get some speed, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He hit his head. That probably wasn't too good. I think he's straight though, man. This will be worth $1 million, man.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know. Yeah, he's good, man.
Oh,
I'm sure that shit hurt, but
oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh.
I think he needs a beer. Hey, grab him a beer, Dad. Yeah. Give him a beer, Clue. Yeah. Yeah, I think a little bit, dude. It's probably because all the alcohol thins your blood out, man. Hey, you want to try it again, dude? Come on, man. Let's get a beer.